Hello and welcome to this first official edition of the Natural Way podcast. The Natural Way was a series of seasonal reflections, healings and meditations, bringing you the medicines, messages and symbols that would have contributed to the survival and existence of your ancestors, connecting you back to nature, the rhythm of Mother Earth and the natural way of living, being and developing. And developing we are, evolving we are constantly. And as I myself have been shape-shifting through the most recent transformation, the chrysalis that has rested and has been transforming into something new. And as many of you, I am aware, have also been called to bring something new into the light. And you are tentatively trying out your new wings and a natural birthing and evolution of the Natural Way series was to bring it into the full birthing of the Natural Way podcast, to bring you those messages of Mother Earth. And to bring you what the natural way means to you, both in that connection to nature and also how you live, how you breathe, how you move, how you carry yourself, how you align yourself. How you do the work that you came to do, how you create. And to not do this alone, to do this with a shared understanding, a shared connection, as each root of each tree, which extends high into the sky and far below the earth, connected with each root of another tree and another and another. And so it is, and so they speak to each other underneath the soil. Conversing with the insects, the ants, the beetles, the crickets, sending their messages far and wide, so that you may hear them also on the breeze, as we also hear messages in the elements of air, earth, wind and fire. This vital connection that we are gradually bringing back to the very centre of our being, the very core, enabling us to connect to the very core of Mother Earth. As she vibrates and sends us the messages that we need to receive. with the assistance of all of the animals, all of the plants, all of the insects, all of the sea-dwelling animals and creatures. All of the birds migrating on their huge journeys that carry those messages on their wings. And so I invite you to hum with the rhythm of the bumblebee, to breathe with the gentle movement of the butterfly wing, to imagine yourself as high as the eagle, to change your perception, to have a heartfelt conversation with a tree, with a squirrel, with a ladybird. And watch as they listen. To touch and to feel the plant, the spider web, the tree and its ancient wisdom, to soak up the atmosphere. And to allow yourself as much as possible to be out in the elements, in nature. But also knowing that there is a possibility to connect at any time, night or day. And you can feel the grass and the soil beneath your feet. You can feel the energy rising from the very soles of your feet, travelling upwards and upwards and upwards to the very top of your head. And like the plant, like the tree, like the flower, you are absorbing all of that nutrition. You are being nurtured, you are being held, you are being wrapped. In the leaves and the love, and the hope, and the security, and the peace. That is your natural state of being. And it becomes easier to connect. And it becomes easier to remain, to sustain this state of natural well-being. Because the more you connect, the more you feel, the more you know it's where you are, it's where you belong. And within that, the seeds that are planted begin to grow. They begin to sprout. And you continue to water them with your connection to nature. Breathing it deeply into your lungs. allowing the very element of nature to fill your being. Allowing it to travel through your veins, through your blood, through your muscles, through your cells. And allowing yourself to align with the rhythm of the heartbeat of Mother Earth. As you stand in the warming rays of the sun, as you hear the sounds all around you, the smells, the glimmer, the slightest movement, allowing, breathing, growing, living, connected. Feeling the connectedness, the web of nature. What is your natural state? What does that feel like? Sense it. And bring it with you, everywhere, every day. That feeling of being alive with joy, positivity, happiness, regardless of what is happening around you. This natural state of well-being is your home. It's where you live, and it is yours always. A place to belong. A gift to you from Mother Nature. Thank you I welcome you to the natural way.